In the course of visiting the site of the first ever Gauriya Math at Ultadanga Junction Road in Calcutta, we came to this temple, the Parshwanatha Jain temple, which is just next to that original Gauriya Math. Just to see, it's so beautiful. Jain temples are found throughout North India, in Rajasthan and Gujarat more, and in Karnataka, and in other places where Jains are spread. But they're typically very, very beautiful, as you can see. The gardens, all ornate. We're not allowed to do video shooting right up close to the temple, but you can see architecturally, artistically, it's so beautiful. The Jain system of religion differentiates itself from the Vedic religion. They don't recognize the Vedas, although in so many ways it's similar and has so much in common with what we can nowadays call Hinduism, in as much as they believe in reincarnation and liberation, and with reincarnation comes karma, and the culture is very much the same. Typically the men at least used to wear dhotis and the women wear saris. Krishna has inspired them to use their considerable wealth. Jains are typically well-to-do merchants. Krishna has inspired them to use their considerable wealth in a religious manner, although, as I say, it's not specifically directed toward Krishna or even any of the demigods.